Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about the National Interest Waiver green card for nurses. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. And also, be sure to stick around until the end to get a bonus tip on whether nurses need to take the NCLEX-RN or the NCLEX-PN. As you know, the National Interest Waiver is a pathway for foreign nationals to obtain a green card, which is also permanent residency in the United States based on their exceptional abilities and the national importance of their work. While traditionally associated with professions like science and technology, nurses also qualify for the NIW under certain circumstances. For nurses seeking an NIW green card, the following considerations may be relevant. So, exceptional skills and qualifications. So nurses should showcase their exceptional skills, qualifications, and experience in the field. This may include advanced degrees, specialized certifications, or recognition for outstanding achievements. Another item is critical shortage areas. The U.S. faces shortages of healthcare professionals in certain geographic areas or specialized fields. Nurses working in areas with demonstrated shortages may argue that their presence is in the national interest. Also, the impact on public health. Nurses can emphasize the impact of their work on public health, especially if they are involved in initiatives addressing community health disparities, preventative care, and other critical public health issues. Also, leadership and research contributions. Demonstrating leadership roles, involvement in research, or contributions to healthcare policies can strengthen the case for an NIW, highlighting the nurse's influence on the broader healthcare landscape. Letters of recommendation. So obtaining strong letters of recommendation from supervisors, colleagues, or professionals in the healthcare community can provide additional support for the NIW application. Community engagement. Involvement in the community health programs, outreach, or educational initiatives can showcase a nurse's commitment to improving healthcare beyond clinical settings. Educational contributions. If applicable, nurses involved in education and training programs can highlight their contributions to the education of future healthcare professionals, further emphasizing the national interest. Documentation of achievements. Providing evidence of awards, recognition, or notable achievements in the nursing profession can strengthen the overall application. Legal assistance. Given the complexity of immigration processes, seeking guidance from an immigration attorney or a professional with expertise in employment-based immigration is advisable. And finally, stay informed. So staying updated on immigration policies and any changes that may impact the NIW application process is crucial. So nurses considering the NIW route should carefully assess their qualifications and contributions, making a compelling case for their exceptional abilities and the national importance of their work in the U.S. healthcare system. Consulting with an immigration professional will help navigate the complexities of the application process successfully. As promised, here's some bonus information that you may not know about. So yes, in most cases, nurses who wish to work in the United States must pass the National Council Licensure Examination for Registered Nurses, which is the NCLEX-RN, or the National Council Licensure Examination for Practical Nurses, which is the NCLEX-PN, depending on their educational background. So here are the key points regarding the NCLEX and nursing licensure in the U.S. So for the NCLEX-RN for registered nurses, if you graduate from a nursing program that prepares you to become a registered nurse, you will need to take the NCLEX-RN. Now for the NCLEX-PN for practical nurses, if you are a graduate of a program that prepares you to become a licensed practical nurse, so the LPN, you will need to take the NCLEX-PN. Now let's talk about licensure by state. So nursing licensure is granted by individual U.S. states, and each state has its own nursing board or regulatory body. Nurses need to apply for licensure in the specific state where they plan to work. Now for educational requirements, in addition to passing the NCLEX, nurses must typically meet educational requirements which may include completing a nursing program that is approved by the state's nursing board. Now for international nurses who completed their education outside of the U.S. may need to go through a process of credential evaluation to ensure that their education is equivalent to U.S. standards. It's important for individuals considering nursing practice in the U.S. to research the specific requirements of the state where they plan to work, as there may be variations in licensure regulations and additional requirements. Additionally, immigration requirements for foreign-educated nurses should be carefully reviewed to ensure compliance with U.S. visa regulations. Thanks for tuning in. Last but not least, be sure to check the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.